Look at that big old suitcase. Oh, nice. There's a little deflector here. Aerodynamics. Looking sweet back there, isn't she? Well, good morning, everybody. We are here. Beautiful countryside. Jonathan just picked up this sweet, adult-owned, clean as hell Solar Orange Z.
Lamont Sunset Orange.
Lamont Sunset Orange. Here it's Solar Orange, like, that's not right. That's not right. But it is super nice. Interior is great. The 5-spoke wheels. I was sad when Paul got rid of his, but then was wonderfully surprised seeing it on the Z now. They just look good on this chassis. So the subject matter today is the Z1 Touring exhaust, and Touring's always been kind of like, you know, comfortable, right? When you hear Touring, you want mileage and distance and stuff like that. So what we're going to see today, we already took a sound bite of the factory exhaust and how it sounds. We're going to get a sound bite of the Touring exhaust and then see how that sounds. It's a really good setup. I mean, it looks clean. All the welds are really done really well. Had to say that a little slowly, also I kind of run it in together. But also in the white pipe, if you look, there you go. You can see how the inside, where the pipes come together. I guess this is cast. This got to be cast. Because it has its name, has a Z1 name. It's a little rough, so I guess this collector part is cast. Yeah, because that's inside. That's like a molding piece, but they took their time and cleaned it up inside really well. So that's cool. Looks like this white pipe here is also cast. So there's 2 cast parts, and then the rest is stainless. You got doggies. And this is pressed steel. So it's a really nice kit. Jay, the white pipe is optional, right?
Yeah, that's separate.
Okay. That'd be a cool comparison, seeing the full cab back of the stock versus this. Now, Jay, what were you trying to accomplish with the exhaust? You wanted something.
I wanted something mature. So I didn't want an exhaust that was overly raspy. So I wanted something that was nice and clean, that had a really good tone to it. Because these VQs are notorious, depending on the type of the exhaust that you go with and then the total setup, whether you run a wide pipe, if you run a non-resonated mid pipe, or, you know, there's a bunch of different ways that you can go about it, but then it produces different sounds.
Right.
And so Z1 has put together a really nice package here that allows, from at least the sound clips that I've heard, a really nice deep sound that should give it a more mature overall dynamic, which is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm not trying to blow everyone's ears out.
No, I hear you. It's kind of like the old Jasma systems.
Yeah.
Yeah, the old Jasma certified stuff from Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this. So this, to me, from the sound clip, sounded a lot like the Tanabe medallion exhaust, which was like my favorite exhaust growing up on the 350Zs, and so. You know, those being changed over to Revel, I wanted something, you know, that I had some trust in, and so Z1 knocked it out of the park with these.
I still don't know how the hell you found an adult-owned car, Z.
I don't know, it happened. And this one was out in Knoxville.
But you can tell he didn't drive it during the winter.
No, I mean, this was garage temps. He said he just drove it to school and back, and then when it rained, he drove his truck.
Nice. Ready?
No, I'm not.
You chicken? You back it up. What's that in your hand? You're talking big talk. What's that in your hand?
No, we're gonna do this once this is hot.
with the install has been really great, guys, but there's been two clearance issues. One is the factory shield right here. We had to clearance the shield a little bit to get around the exhaust. Also, this other shield right here, pull back a little bit so you can see it. This shield is interfering with the hanger. And you smack it around, it is interfering. So it will cause a jingle jungle. See right up there. While they're going and adjusting like that, everything else fit really well. Everything else is in. Good clearance over here. Good clearance in the back. Bolted up to the factory cats. So far, everything went snug. I don't think there's going to be any leaking or anything. We'll see when we start it up. But it's looking really good. I really do love these cast pieces. It's really nice. Plan is, took the shield out, and we're just going to indent right around here where it's intersecting with the hanger. With the shield down, it exposes the evap canister, so we can't really condemn the shield.
Mild.
It's torn.
We let her warm up some?
Yeah.
It doesn't have a cold idle.
Actually, that's nice.
Is it?
That doesn't sound obnoxious like you said.
It sounds like a BQ still. Yeah, that's pretty calm. The arms are still under it, so don't back it up.
So it looks good. It sounds good. It's not too high pitched. It's nice and deep, like you said, Jonathan, earlier, like a Jasmine exhaust. So now we just got to throw the mics at the back of the car, get the recording equipment going, and really see how this sounds. Get some RPMs in there.
They move.
Now the outside, let me get one or two.
Huh?
Let me get one or two revs. I'm not mad at it. Well, guys, this is Kevan from the future, and unfortunately, we do not have the after video. We have the after audio, but not the after video. What we'll do, we'll go ahead, we will play the before video, because I have that synced up with the audio and video of the exhaust, factory exhaust, OEM exhaust, as you've seen. And now, I'll edit the same video with the after. It may not be in sync, but it'll give you an idea of what the torn exhaust sounds like. And what do you think about that? It is a torn exhaust. It's not a race type exhaust. It's an everyday street exhaust. I like it. It's toned down. It's mature. It's not noisy. I don't think it sounds VQ-y. It sounds nice and deep, like a nice JDM exhaust. So Z1, you did good. You did good. I like it. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell for notify, because you know what I normally do. I do the mic'd up series where we professionally mic up the car, get a true nice audio recording of the exhaust, and we'll compare it with before. Have a fun ride along video. Get a true representation of how the exhaust sounds in real life. And as usual, guys, once again, thank you all for your support. Thank you for helping the channel grow. Those likes, those comments, those subscribes, they do help the channel. So please go ahead and partake in those. And until next time, y'all take it easy.